stomach.
Roll on your stomach.
Roll on your stomach. Okay, you understand? Roll on your stomach. Roll on your stomach.
Okay.
On May 5th, 2023, officers responded to a beach in the local area. The 911 caller stated that he couldn't believe what he was seeing. It appeared that someone in beach shorts was driving a bulldozer on the beach where the city was conducting construction. When confronted, the suspect was seen running in front of the construction workers, making it difficult for them to do their job.
Well, she just brought in the dump truck, so
I'm sorry.
it was.
I'll touch your hair later.
Oh no,
I was
it's everywhere. It's fine. The wind's got it going
Yeah.
crazy. It was her dump truck. I'm not sure exactly what happened. You can go over there and ask her.
Okay.
About
her
it.
drive that one right there.
Yeah, the one that she was
And
driving.
did it happen on the road over here?
No, it was on the beach side.
It was on the beach.
Yeah.
Okay.
When the officers arrived, they attempted to get to the bottom of the situation. They were notified to speak with the operator of the bulldozer to figure out exactly what had happened.
Charlie, one of them, Clark. How you doing? Can we just talk over here? Because that generator is like right in my ear, so.
Yeah.
All right, what happened?
Okay, we run down the beach with sand,
Right,
right?
yeah.
We ever had a problem with the guys all day?
You have not had a
We
problem?
have not.
Okay.
My last load, and we watch them, and I was watching him from a distance. He was in the middle. Then he was running into the lane. He'd run out of the lane, so I was kind of keeping an eye
The
on
lane for this?
No, out here on the beach.
Right, that's what I'm saying, the lane
Yeah,
for the
for
dump
this.
truck on the beach? Okay.
Well, right when I got to him,
Yeah.
he runs in front of the truck.
Okay. Like being funny or like trying to what's trying?
I'm not really sure, but he just didn't want me to go anywhere. I think
Right.
he's either drunk or whatever.
Right.
But anyway, he's got two friends that are with him.
Okay.
And after a while, I told him, I said, look, dude, I got to go. You got to let my truck go because he had a hold of my
just to be
truck.
clear, you're at the residence 3395 North Ocean Shore, correct?
Okay.
And
That's all the subjects.
so every time I went to take off, he would run in front of the truck, he'd lay down,
Okay.
or grab a hold of the
Sure,
truck
we'll
or
reinforce
something.
it.
So I
Okay.
finally,
You out there?
eventually, I had to call. I've asked his friends to
You up
get
near
him.
the house that I believe he's staying with, and then he's down here on the beach by himself.
Can you give me a description of what they're wearing real quick?
I
Corner 11,
believe
you copy
the
that,
boy was the one that was
10-4,
giving
I'll
me
be
so much
51 to his
trouble.
location. Can you give me the address one more time?
He's really easy because he's got like a hole right
3395
here.
North Ocean.
3395. What's that?
He's got like a hole right here, a really deep indention right here.
Okay. Just white guy, black guy?
White guy. He's got a black guy and another white friend with him, and he hauled off and just.
So it was the white guy that was.
The white guy, the
Standing in front.
skinny white guy.
Was he wearing shorts or anything?
Yes, he was wearing, I think, blue shorts, I think.
Okay. My commander's got him down here. Will you be here just for me to come back and talk to you real quick?
Yeah, I'll just get my stuff back.
Just hang out for a little bit, all right?
Officers were able to get to the bottom of the situation. The suspect in question told other officers that he was wealthy and owned a house on the beach, but he quickly learned that his sense of entitlement would not get him far at all.
How far up are they?
I'm not getting anything to come back on the female 27. I was able to figure out who she is. Her 29, she is 1054, but still unable to run the 27.
Are they right here? Is that the guy?
Several.
I had a 35-ton Honda coming down the beach loaded with sand, and he thought it'd be funny to run around in front of the truck and keep trying to weigh down in front of the truck. She stopped, I got down here, his friends talked some sense into him, so we got her moving. He had punched one of his friends in the face that's staying in his house over there with him. He was like, sure. 6133.
6133.
On the beach as well, 3395 behind the residence. It may be related to two separate subjects. One of the I believe a little bit further south. So then my dozer out there is coming along and we think it's something funny to jump front window.
Careful.
Charlie 111. So the call on that is the may have occurred 4,000 on the beach from our location.
Hey, how are you?
Bravo, Mike.
How are you?
Good.
What are you doing?
Fuck
you guys. Alright. Huh?
Yes.
Can we talk like normal people? Huh? What are you doing? I don't know what I'm doing. Have you had something to drink today? Oh, fuck! Or drugs? Huh? Alright, sorry. Why are you in front of Bulldozer? It is your land, my land. We can all be equals. Okay. But I can't have you stopping the tractor from doing his work. I fucking see you guys. Let me go water here. Huh? Let's talk about it. Oh my god, dude. We need to drink more water. You want some water? Oh my god. What do we do now? Huh? What do we do? You move. Alright, not bad. Well, what am I doing this for? We just do the same thing over and over and over again? What are you doing? Listen, you're gonna come with me, you're gonna get off here. Alright, my man. Alright, come on. Just go with me. Go with me. Let me drink a little water. You want some water? Can you come up here and talk to me? Alright, I'm sorry. Keep your line on this one and then we'll keep it. Oh. Break through shit here. Hmm? So what now? I want you off the beach. You're blocking their work. You're gonna come with me and we're gonna move away from the Bulldozer. Okay. You understand me? Now, let's go. Oh. This is non-stop.
Charlie, what time? Center.
Alright, drink the water. Drink the water.
Put your hand on your back.
So what now, guys? So what do we do now?
Flag all TCs, did you copy? Go live on that stuff.
Stop resisting.
Alright.
You hear me?
Yes. Just doing the same thing? Oh, okay. So what do we do now?
Roll to your stomach. Roll on your stomach.
Oh my fucking god.
You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased. Roll on your stomach now.
Roll on your stomach.
Roll on your stomach. Roll on your stomach.
Okay.
You understand?
Roll on your stomach. Roll on your stomach.
Okay. Oh my. I need the water! Give me it now! Stop.
Don't fucking move.
Okay.
Roll on your stomach.
So we can all be equal.
Roll on your stomach. All right. Let's transition. Get a cup out.
All right, everybody, back off. I get it.
Yeah, Mike, behind the residence. Not sure how far down.
They're securing one right now. What y'all need?
Cuff. Cuff.
Go on now. Come here, let me get this one. I got it. You gotta bless through here. He's good. I don't want you. God damn it. 111, one secure. So where are they? It's obviously 1015, right? So we double lock those.
Yep.
All right, clean it all up then. Give me some water.
I told you I'd get you water. You got sand.
111, clear the channel. All right, back off. Everybody back off. Lines.
All right.
Y'all good? You take him up to my car.
Cut.
We're going up here, man.
Ah,
You're coming whether we're dragging you or not, man.
okay. Oh my fucking God. Can we just do the same thing over and over?
Diagonal.
We are the simulation. Yeah.
All right.
Let's
Good
go.
man.
Sorry.
You sure?
So what now? Now, we're going to find a place.
10-4. Reference report number 1 is subject
What did you
at 500 east. 10-4, whiskey bike, 31 years old. James Holloway, second unit, McDonald's Township. 10-4.
Maybe they're coming now.
We're securing him in the car. 10.3.
Copy that.
Understood? Sit down like a man.
All right.
All right? Okay.
Moving.
Holy.
Take a seat with your butt.
Give me some water.
Dispatch has been updated.
Water. This vicious fucking cycle. So we're the cable guy. So if we want to just... Alright. Boundaries.
How much LSD did you take? A lot?
Yeah.
Shit. You need an ambulance to come check you out?
Ah, a little water.
Huh? We're gonna get you water, but you need an ambulance to come check you out?
Now what?
So, call me?
Can I ask you a question?
What's the question?
So I'm the simulation.
Huh?
I'm the simulation. So if I do water, holy shit.
What?
Alright, give me a little water.
Huh? We're gonna get you water in a second, alright?
Okay.
The suspect was hit with a slew of charges, and we hope a jail cell was his last trip, if you know what I mean. He pleaded guilty to the charges and was given 9 months probation. We're hoping he'll leave the bulldozers alone in the future